Last month, I created my YouTube channel and start uploading the videos. I consistently upload the videos up to 25 days, but there were no views and no subscribers. I was ready to give up. Then I start research. I asked ChatGPT, use Google, and even search on YouTube. I watched many YouTubers telling different methods.
What is the fastest way to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube?
Fastest way to get to 1,000 subscribers. I started a YouTube channel over a year ago.
Subscribers leave.
I tried everyone's method, but they all fooled me. At that time, there was one thing in my mind. Please, is there anyone who can tell me the truth? But unfortunately, everyone was lying and I just wasted my time. But one day by chance, I uploaded a short. When I wake up at morning, I saw there comes 185 views on my short. You people will be laughing, 185 views. But trust me, that was really game changer and motivation for me, because for the first time there comes much views on my channel. I was so excited and I started creating shorts. But the real game changer was this short when it hits 2K views in 24 hours. That was the first time I hit K. Someone will be laughing here, but I'm not liar like other YouTubers. That's the truth. I was consistently uploading 2 shorts per day on my channel, and in less than 28 days, my channel got 1,000 plus subscribers and about 5.5 M plus views combinedly on my all shorts. That means persistence and consistency is the key. But do you want to know the strategies I used while creating my shorts? I do not want to waste your time. You can leave the video from here. But if you hear, let's discuss the strategies I used. First, select a trending niche according to you. You can select movie or cartoon as an example. While creating my shorts, I realized one thing: editing. Whenever I saw other YouTubers' shorts, I was wondering how they do zoom in, zoom out, effects, captions, animations, how they edit. After researching, I found that they use different video editors for editing. I didn't have any PC, that's why I start editing on mobile. I select CapCut for video editing, but I didn't know how to use it. Then I watched this 50 minutes video, and I learned much of the CapCut perfectly and start editing my shorts in CapCut. Later on, I noticed that many successful YouTubers use captions in their shorts, so I started incorporating captions into my videos, which attracted more viewers to my channel. You might wonder how I recorded the voice. Well, it's not actually my voice. I used a website where I could generate text-to-speech in different voices. All you need to do is sign up on the website and convert your text into speech. Listen to the generated voice.
Don't tell yourself a gamer if you don't know about this website.
There are more voice characters available.
But these are not normal time.
Allow the world.
Love all, trust a few. You can select whatever you want. To make a short go viral, these 2 steps are crucial. First, make the first 3 seconds of shorts so attractive that it forces the audience to stop and watch. These seconds will decide whether your viewers stay or leave. The more viewers you retain, the higher the chances of your short going viral. Second, upload your short when your viewers are most active. This graph will show you when your viewers are most active. You can find this graph in your channel analytics. Initially, there will be no data, but as your channel grows, this graph will start to appear. Last and more important thing, as I mentioned earlier, consistency and persistence is the only key of success. YouTube's algorithm is very tricky. It can slow down your channel for testing you. But as I said, never give up.